Assalamu alaikum student. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. See student, we are thinking that the school will going to start now and entire year at least now going to end up and you have learned online lectures. You had watched my lecture, you had commented on my lecture and very glad, I'm very happy for what I had thought to you getting on that points and you understood my sums. So thank you very much all my dear students. Students, today inshallah we will start our chapter number 6, that is circle. See student, this circle chapter you had been learned already in the 8th standard and in that 8th standard also we had explained you the same properties that now in this 9th standard we have to use as a theorem. Okay? You have learned that the perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. See, what is that? One circle is there, one big circle I am drawing for you. Okay, one big circle is there. It is called as radius, right? Here students, it is called as radius. क्या बोला जाता है इसको? Radius, है ना? Center of a circle. ठीक है? यहाँ से मैंने join कर दिया, it is called as radius. Radius कहीं पर भी join हो सकता है, no issue. You know that. From center to the edge of the or arc. Okay. Now, without touching the center, that line segment is called as a chord. क्या बोला था उसको? Chord. Okay. And now the theorem is saying that is perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord. Okay. Perpendicular drawn to the center to the chord bisect the chord. Bisect the chord means it divides the line segment of the chord in two equal parts. Understood? So, if we can have this type of bisector, so you know this triangle, it is a triangle, now it makes a triangle. So, this triangle is called as right angle triangle. And we have in right angle triangle, you my dear student, you know about that Pythagoras theorem, right? You remember the Pythagoras theorem. So, sometimes or most of the questions we use the Pythagoras theorem. Done student? So now we will start our 6.1 question. See, now for every question we have to draw the diagram. See, market में stencil आता है जिसमें already all सारे figures होते हैं. You can use that directly easily or you can by rounder you can make the circle. Okay my dear student? Shall I read the question for you? See, distance of AB, chord AB from center of a circle is 8 centimeter. बेटा यहाँ पर एक chord है. The name of the chord is given AB and distance from center of a circle to the chord is 8 centimeter. Done? Now, and the length of the chord AB is 12 centimeter. Okay? They ask us to find the diameter. I had drawn the diameter, right? I don't have the center. I am going to take the center of the circle. If the question is given the center of the circle, we can use it. If it is not given, we have to take our name. Now student, see, A will bisect to whom, so I will take here M. So OM is a bisector of the chord AB. AO is a radius. AB, here I am taking P. AP is a diameter. Okay. Now student, what I am going to do? First I will write all the parts in sequence wise. See, in geometry you have to go follow the rule. Given, to find, solution, construction, whatever, etc. we have taken. Okay. So what is given according to diagram I will take. So length of AB is given, that is 12 centimeter. Length of OM is given as an 8 centimeter. We have to find the diameter, that is AP. Okay. And now we will start the solution. See student, O as I had taken for our sake right now. So what we are going to do? We will write that. Let the point O is the center of a circle. Okay my dear student. So now we are going to see segment. See, OM, segment OM is perpendicular to the chord AB. We should write this compulsory. We have to write these two statements. Okay. Now next student, what we are going to see, we will going to use the property and first I am going to find the length of AM. How are we going to write here? see, are we going to use the property? Which property or theorem? Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. Okay, to the chord bisect the chord. So therefore we have to find AM. AM is half of, ये आधा है किसका? लेंथ ऑफ AB का. So therefore length of AM equals to half of AB. I have 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So therefore length of AM is equals to 6 centimeter. With the help of scale and pencil, you to highlight this. Now I got this as 6 centimeter. Now I will consider this as a right angle triangle. So what I am going to write? In a triangle, AMO you can write, or you can write OMA also. Okay? So AM triangle where major angle N is equals to 90 degree. Where it is right angle triangle, we can take the help of by Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem law? You know, right? जो भी अगर right hand side के opposite length segment है, that is called a hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 square in side 2 square. You have learned in the 7th standard. Okay. So what is hypotenuse? I have here AO is equals to length of AM square plus length of OM square. Okay, student. So therefore, what is length of AO? I don't have. So I will write AO as it is. Okay. Length of AM I got 6 square and length of OM I have 8 square. Continue what I am doing here. See. Now I will open the square. So length of AO square is equal to square of 6 is 36 plus square of 8 is 64. Done. Now I will add these two. So length of AO square is equals to 100. To take out the square, we will going to take square root, right? So taking square root on both sides. So therefore AO equals to 10. The square root of 100 is 10. With the help of scale pencil, highlight. Now I got as this is 10. So easily I can find the length of AP right now. So therefore, to finding the length of AP is 2 times, right? 2 times of length of AO, right now. You can go for the formula also. Diameter equals to 2 times of radius. Okay. So therefore, length of AP 2 into 10. So therefore, length of AP equals to 20 centimeters. Highlight the scale pencil. Now student, we had find the length of AP, but in the question what they asked, we had to write the statement. Therefore, diameter of a circle is 20 centimeter. Understood? So that is our first question. I am giving 2 seconds to look. We will go for the question number 2. Okay. Now student, we will keep the circle as it is, and I will rub all. Every question we have to draw the circle. Okay. Now question number 2. Same thing we have to follow. Okay. Question number 2. Let's see what it is given or not. So we will find it. Okay. For next question. Okay. Now question number 2. What is given? The diameter is given 26 centimeter. Length of chord is given 24 centimeter. Find the length of the chord. हमें क्या find करना है? Length of the chord. See. First draw the diagram. One circle you should draw with a rounder and pencil. Center of a circle, that is chord. Okay. Any name is not given. Any name is not given. Now diameter name is not given, chord name is not given. So we will take the as our help. So I will always take length AB as a chord, O as center, AO is diameter, radius, AM is perpendicular bisector and I will go with AP. Okay. Now according to the question I have made the diagram and I will put the digit. Diameter of a circle is 26 centimeter. So this is the diameter, that is 26 centimeter. Okay. Next, the length of the chord is given 24 centimeter. Length of the chord is given 24 centimeter. We have to find the distance from the center of a circle to the chord. Okay. So what is given? We will write in the given. Length of AB is 24 centimeter. Length of AP is 26 centimeter. We have to find length of OM. Okay. See again, student. We have taken the name for the diagram by ourselves. We should show that. Okay. So compulsory let the point O be the center of a circle. Segment OM, ये OM bisector है to the chord AB. Okay, my dear student. Now, first of all, we will going to find AM. That is very easy, right? For AM, we will going to write the theorem, है ना? Now again, we have same before first question what we had and same thing we had to do. So we will write the theorem here. So compulsory you have to write the theorem. Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. Okay. So therefore length of AM is half of length of AB, right? So therefore length of AM equals to half of AB is 24. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 2s are. So therefore length of AM I got as 12 centimeter. So it is at 12 centimeter. Now I can find by AO, है ना? Like AO is also the half of length of AP, right? Radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. You can write like this also. So therefore length of AO equals to half of 26. So therefore length of AO equals to 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 3s are. So I got here 13 centimeter. Now that is I got 13 centimeter. I will consider this as right angle triangle. So I will write in triangle AMO, where major angle M I am writing as a 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, therefore length of AO is equals to length of AM square plus length of OM square, right? Hypotenuse side equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. I have the value of AO, that is 13 square. I have the length of AM, that is 12 square, but I don't have the value of AOM square. Open the square. Or you can go for the two method. You can open the square or by the a square minus b square formula you can write. See. Now I will take 13 square minus 12 square. What I have done? I have taken plus 12 square into the left hand side with a minus 12. Is equal to length of OM square. See, a square minus b square. You will go for like this. 13 plus 12. 13 minus 12 equals to length of OM स्क्वायर. थोड़ा सा वेराइटीज करो, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट करने की कोशिश करो. ऑलवेज स्क्वायर करेंगे भी माइनस करेंगे, देन यू गोइंग टू फाइंड द. सो थोड़ा सा यूनिक टाइप में, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट टाइप में यू हैव टू डू इट. ओके, आपने वो मेथड भी किया है, दैट विल बी गुड. अगर ये मेथड भी आप करोगे दैट इज आल्सो ओके. गिव द रीजन. सो आई हैव टेकन a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर इज a प्लस b, a minus b. So therefore and I got 25 into, I will minus, I will got 1 is equals to OM square. You very well know 25 ones are 25 equals to length of OM square. Take out the square. I will taking to take out the square. I will taking square root on both sides. So therefore 5 square root of 25 is 5 equals to length of OM. So that is length of OM equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, in the question we have to find the OM, but in the as in textbook asked, we had to find what they had asked to find the distance of the chord. You should write the statement: distance of the chord, distance of the chord from the center is how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. Understood? So that is our question. Do it fast. We will go for the next question. Okay. Now we will go for the question number 3. Okay. What is question number 3? We will see what they are given and what we have to do. So, or we should rub here. Okay. See the third question what they asked. See, the radius of the circle is, third question, radius of a circle, the center of a circle, that is chord, that is called radius. Radius is given 34 centimeter. Distance of the chord from the center of a circle is 30 centimeter. Find the length of the chord. We have to find the length of the chord. Come on. Now we don't have any option. So again we have to take all the figure out. A, B is a chord of the center, O is center of a circle, OM is a perpendicular bisector to the left chord AB. Okay. Now student, easily we can find AM na. First we going to take the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem से पहले हम AM find करेंगे and by the property of perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord, we will take length of AB. We will find the length of AB. Okay, what is given in the question? Length of AO is given 34 centimeter. Length of OM is given, that is 30 centimeter or yeah 30 centimeter. Okay, we have to find length of AB. Okay, now say write the statement. Let the point O be the center of a circle. Now write down compulsory. OM is perpendicular to the chord AB. Now first we will consider this as a right angle triangle. So in a triangle AMO, when major angle M equals to 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So what is the Pythagoras theorem law? Hypotenuse square is AO square equals to length of AM square plus length of OM square. So AO I have 34 square. Length AM I don't have. Length OM I have 30 square. You can do like this, or you can take the square or take all the numbers one side and term one side. So I will go 34 plus 30. 34 minus 30 equals to length of AM square. So write the reason: A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B. So add this. I will go 64, right, plus 4, right, 34 minus 30, that is 4, equals to length of AM square. Add this one, 64 plus 68, 64 na, 30, right? 64. Okay. Now what I got here? 60. Come on. 34 है आपका लेंथ और ये 30 है. So ये प्लस माइनस हो गया तो a प्लस b. So a प्लस b means 34 plus 30 that is 64. a minus b that is 34 minus 30. Okay, यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई की साइन है. Okay, bracket means multiply. So 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 6 are 24, 25. 256 equals to length of AM square. Now what take out the square? I will taking square root on both sides. So therefore 256 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या होता है जरा बताएंगे सब स्टूडेंट्स मुझे. 256 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या होता है? 15 और 16. बोलो जल्दी से. 15 और 16. Yes, 16. So 16 equals to length of AM. Okay. So that is length of AM is equals to 16 centimeter. Okay. Now student, I got here as a 16 centimeter. तो मैं perpendicular theorem use करके AB find कर सकती हूँ. You can find AB. So write the theorem here. Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. Okay. So therefore length of AB find करना है. So AB is 2 times of length of AM. So length of AB equals to 2 into 16. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 32 centimeter, right? 32 centimeter. Now student, the question they asked. What the question they asked? The length of the chord. Therefore, the length of a chord of a circle is 32 centimeter. Done? Come on, do it fast. You will see the next question. Then now my dear student, question number 4. Radius of circle is given, radius of center is given. O is the center or radius दिया 41 unit and chord दिया हुआ 80 units. Find the distance. So we already find the question number 2. So same you have to find, but centimeter we will not going to write. We will write a unit. So that question number 4 you can do by your own. Now I will go explain the question number 5. This last question, question number 6 is omitted from the syllabus. So we will go for the question number 5. Okay. Okay. Now some student diagrams already is given to you. So according to diagram we will make one diagram here only. See, like this is given is A, that is P, that is Q, and that is B, that is O. Enough? That is given. In the figure 6.1, now find the center of a two circle is O. ये दो सेंटर का सेंटर क्या है? O है. And chord AB is bigger circle intersect the smaller circle. ये जो AB है chord इस इंटरसेक्ट करता है स्मॉलर सेंटर को PQ की जगह पर. ठीक है? So show that AP is equals to BQ. आपको शो करना है, आपको प्रूफ करना है. Okay, you have to prove it. Shall I start? Now what I am doing, I am constructing here like this. Okay, and I have done here M. I had construct. We have to write what we have construct. Okay, dear student, come on. Now what is given, we will write. Okay, what is given? Nothing is given in the question, but it is given that see, AB is a bigger circle intersect the smaller circle. So you should write like this: length AB, length OM is perpendicular to the chord AB. Okay, and length OM also perpendicular to the chord, smaller circle chord PQ. To find me, we had to write to prove. क्या प्रूफ करने बोला है? AP, AB और AP. क्या बोला है प्रूफ करना स्टूडेंट्स? AP equals to QB, BQ. ओके, कम ऑन. सॉल्यूशन प्रूफ करना है. टू प्रूफ और यहाँ पर आप लिखोगे प्रूफ. कम ऑन, अब लिखो सेंटर पॉइंट O is the center of a circle. ठीक है, फिर हमने क्या किया? OM परपेंडिकुलर बता दिया. सेगमेंट OM परपेंडिकुलर है सबसे पहला बड़ा कॉर्ड किसके लिए? AB के लिए. ठीक है, हम पहले ये शो कर देंगे या फिर आप स्मॉलर पर जाइए. ठीक है, आप यहाँ इंडिकेट कर दीजिए. यू शुड राइट दैट टू स्मॉलर सर्कल. पहले हम स्मॉलर सर्कल की बात करते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट स्मॉलर सर्कल इज saying? OM, राइट? सेगमेंट OM is perpendicular to the chord PQ, right? So means AM equals to MQ. So you should write here perpendicular. Again you have to write the theorem. Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. So therefore length of, or you can write directly, PM is equals to MQ. आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, PM equals to MQ. So you should write the equation number 1 for that. Then now to bigger circle. Bigger circle के लिए भी OM क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर है chord AB के लिए, राइट? तो you should write the segment OM, perpendicular to the chord AB. Okay, so therefore now again you should write the perpendicular theorem. Right, perpendicular drawn from the center to the circle to the chord bisect the chord. ठीक है, तो ऐसा होगा. Now what are we going to write? AM equals to BM. और equation number 2 I had kept here. Okay. Now see student, now यहाँ पर देखो, अगर मुझे AM बनाना है, therefore AM बनाना है तो मैं क्या करूँगी? AP plus PM कर दूँगी. AP plus PM. आप क्या लिखोगे? APM एक ही साइड में है, राइट? आप ऐसा शो कर सकते हो. ठीक है, we'll put the equation number 3 for that. Okay. Now अगर मुझे BM बनाना है तो ये भी होगा ना, BQ plus MQ एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 4. और ये क्या होगा? BPM एक लाइन में होगा. देन स्टूडेंट, या फिर MQB एक लाइन में लिख दो. आप जैसा लिखना है वैसा लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, नाउ फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 2 3 4 और 2 3 व्हाट यू गोइंग टू सी? So therefore AP plus PM अब देखेंगे AP प्लस PM इज इक्वल्स टू BQ प्लस MQ। बोलो ये कहाँ से आया? फ्रॉम ऑलरेडी देखो सर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर बोला गया है PM इक्वल्स टू MQ और यहाँ पर बोला गया है AM इक्वल्स टू BM। AM इक्वल्स टू BM, जब ये दोनों इक्वल है तो मीन्स ये दोनों साइड में क्या हो जाएगी? इक्वल। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 1, 3 and 4। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट व्हाट इज दैट? AP और प्लस PM को कर देंगे, चलो करो। सी दैट AP प्लस PM तो क्या बन जाएगा? बोलो क्या बन जाएगा? बोलो क्या करेंगे हम? ओके, नाउ इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 5 रख देते हैं। नाउ अब इक्वेशन नंबर 1 and 5 टैली करते हैं। PM इक्वल्स टू MQ तो क्या हो जाएगा? बचा क्या हमारे पास? ये इक्वल हो गया है ऑलरेडी, तो ये बच गया हमारे पास। सो देयरफॉर AP इक्वल्स टू BQ तो हमने शो कर दिया। क्या लिखेंगे? क्या लिखेंगे? प्रूफ। ये आप लिखोगे हमने क्या किया, इसको प्रूफ कर दिया। डन। अच्छा यहाँ आपको शो करना है, लिख दो फ्रॉम 1 एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 5 से आया। डन। अकॉर्डिंग टू एंड ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज नॉट देयर फॉर यू। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 तक हमने सम्स कर लिए हैं। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स कंप्लीट द सम्स, ओके, एंड आई विल गिव यू द one day for submission of books and correction of the books. So by that time, Allah Hafiz, take care everyone.